In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change passcode on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. After that, just scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode. Then, on that step, we need to enter our old passcode to continue it and to get access to that page. After that, just scroll down until you find Change Passcode option, and here, just by typing on it, you will be able to set new passcode. However, first off, we need to enter our old one again, and after that we'll be able to set new one. Here, as you can see, it offers me to create 6-digit passcode. However, by hitting right here, we can easily change it to 4-digit custom numeric code or custom alphanumeric code. I prefer to use that one. However, you can choose different one from that list, and then we can just enter a new passcode. If it is kind of too obvious and it can be easily guessed, you will see that notification. Here, it allows you to change it by hitting right here. However, just to demonstrate you, I'm gonna select use anyway. On the next step, we need to enter it again, and then after a couple of seconds, your passcode will be changed. Now you can use it to unlock your device and to confirm some actions where it is necessary. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.